Tiga maut selepas sebuah pesawat ringan terhempas di Lapangan Terbang Shellharbour berhampiran Albion Park di New South Wales, Australia pada pagi Sabtu. Menurut pihak polis, kejadian sekitar jam 10 pagi waktu tempatan berlaku 85 km di selatan ibu negeri Sydney. Menurut akhbar The Sydney Morning Herald, Mangsa dikenal pasti sebagai pemilik dan juruterbang pesawat Andrew Connors dan isterinya Julieanne Connors, serta penumpang Colin McLachlan.
The plane has taken off from the tarmac and has got about 30 metres into the air. At that point, witnesses have described the aircraft has then dipped with its left wing coming down and contacting the tarmac. Unfortunately, the plane was then engulfed, and the three people that were on board have all been confirmed as deceased.
Yeah, it did disintegrate upon impact with the ground. One wing come off completely, and the rest of the plane was pretty well in the centre of the runway in one piece. It's heavily consumed by fire. Being an aluminium plane, there's not a great deal of it left. It's not a nice situation to witness.
Kawasan nahas kini ditutup sebagai zon siasatan, sementara Biro Keselamatan Pengangkutan Australia telah dimaklumkan dan akan menjalankan siasatan lanjut bagi mengenal pasti punca kemalangan.